Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Police Complaint Authority directs action against 15 policemen for carrying out atrocities on Babush and his family. Babush demands suspension of the policemen. Another feather in the cap for Paul Tod Somuni's film bags Grand Jury Prize in the Indian Film Festival at Los Angeles. Paul Tod Somuni's beats 3 Idiots, Harishchandrachi Factory and Kamine in the category. It's Prudent Media Impact. PC Siddesh Parsekar suspended for allegedly assaulting a Kerala at a TV railway station. Railway Police P. Sebastian repatriated. Shadab Jakati arrives in Goa after IPL 3 success. Family members and friends welcome Jakati. Vasco-based cricketer says Sachin's wicket in the final was crucial. CBI needs 18 more months to file charge sheet in IFFI 2004 scam case. The bureau plays evasive on CM's interrogation. And National Board and Laser Coastal Sailing Championship to commence from Tuesday at Waingini Beach. And now the news in detail. Police Complaint Authority has found substance against 15 policemen, including a SP, in atrocities on Babush Monserrat and his family case. After the attack on Panji police station on Feb 19th, police had allegedly assaulted the minister, his wife and son. The authority has directed to file a case against the policemen. Babush has asked for suspension of the men.
The Police Complaint Authority has found substance against the 15 policemen, including a SP, in the atrocities on Babush and his family members' case. The PCA has directed to file complaint against the erring cops. The authority has charged the policemen with gross misconduct and or abuse of power. The order says that the committee has found prima facie substance in the case. The case is found against 1 SP, 3 DYSP, 3 PI and 2 PSIs. Speaking exclusively to Prudent, Babush Monserrat has demanded suspension of the men.
So now I will tell CM to initiate an inquiry. I will first ask the suspension of these officers, because without suspension of these officers, I don't think we will get a fair trial. Because if any police officer or anyone higher up will inquire into it, these people should not be in any position in fact. So now let the police fellows answer who are the people who, in fact, under whose instigation they came and damaged my houses, under whose instruction they came and lifted my son, under whose instruction they dragged my wife from across the ground in the police station and put her in jail. So now let them answer. I think there must be someone who in fact has told them or given them instructions. So I welcome this judgment, although it's come late.
Panji police station was attacked by a violent mob on 19 February 2008. The mob was allegedly headed by Babush Monserrat. The police allegedly ransacked Babush's house and brutally assaulted him, his wife and son. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Paul Tod Somunis has made Goa proud once again. Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's film has bagged the Grand Jury Prize for Best Feature Film at the Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles. The film has achieved this feat by beating 3 Idiots, Harishchandrachi Factory and Kamine, which were in the same category.
The much acclaimed Paul Tod Somunis, The Man Beyond the Bridge, has managed to bag yet another award. Lakshmikant Shetgaonkar's feature film was awarded the Grand Jury Prize for Best Feature at the 2010 Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles. This is the second time the film has received an award after winning the FIP RESCI Prize for Discovery at the 2009 Toronto International Film Festival. The film was vying with other hit films like 3 Idiots, Harishchandrachi Factory, Kamine and Cooking with Stella.
देवाक तोंड दाखवच आहे ताणे ऐकता पण तू नग्न जा
Shetgaonkar's film delicately views issues of mental illness, environmental protection and the complex dynamics of village power structure. The film is about Vinayak, a lonely forest ranger who is unhappy with his posting, extends a compassionate hand towards a mute mad woman who roams in the area. As he offers her food, clothing and shelter, an unlikely relationship develops.
म्हाका तुमकां सांगपाक खूब आनंद जाता की 8th annual लॉस एंजलस इंडियन फिल्म फेस्टिवल USA ह्या फेस्टिवलाक लक्ष्मीकांत शिरगांवकराक आनी पलतडचो मनशाक ग्रँड ज्युरी पुरस्कार फॉर अ बेस्ट फीचर हे पुरस्कार मेळ्ळा. सगळ्या मेन कॅटेगरींतलो हो पुरस्कार आसा आनी लॉस एंजलस फिल्म फेस्टिवल जो आसा तो एक्चुअली ग्रीक कम्युनिटी अमेरिकेन होस्ट करता. ती आता फाटली 8 वर्सां जाली ती होस्ट करतात आणि ताचे ज्युरी मेंबर्स असतात ते इंटरनॅशनल फिल्म क्रिटिक्स आणि फिल्म मेंबर्स.
A reporter from Panji, Jason Suarez.
Police Constable Siddesh Parsekar is suspended for allegedly assaulting a Keralite at the TV railway station. P. Sebastian from Railway Police has been repatriated. Prudent had exposed these police atrocities first on the 23rd of April. It's a Prudent Media impact.
Goa Police on Monday suspended Police Constable Siddesh Parsekar for allegedly assaulting Isaac Lewis from Kerala. On 22nd April, Isaac Lewis had informed Prudent Media that he was assaulted at TV railway station by a police constable and a railway police personnel. His friends had also filed a complaint in this regard. Lewis is not keeping good health after the alleged assault. He has injuries on his body and his hand is also fractured. However, friends of Lewis are not happy with the sanctions that are levied on the police constable.
आता हे पर्यंत जे जाला लुक्स लायक जस्टीस जाल्या बट आय डोंट नो आता सेक्शन 324 लायला म्हणटा. लेट अस सी बिकॉज गेल्या फावटी आय हॅव हर्ड दॅट तो सस्पेंड जाल्लो आशिल्लो 15 दिसांक कितें बट तरी परत आयलो आनी ही इज इन द सेम पोस्ट आनी दीस इज अ रेग्युलर थिंग वॉट वॉज गोईंग ऑन इन TV रेल्वे स्टेशन. आता म्हाका हेच आसा की पुलिसान कडक एक कारवाई करची आनी ती लोकांक एक बरी सुविधा दिवची स्टेशनार वयतले पॅसेंजराक एटलिस्ट.
Railway Police Constable Sebastian had also allegedly assaulted Lewis. PRO of Konkan Railway informed us that Sebastian has been repatriated.
See, the railway protection force staff, one person was involved in that. And the immediate action what we have taken after preliminary inquiry is that we have repatriated him. He was on deputation to Konkan Railway from Tiruchirappalli. And we sent him back to Tiruchirappalli. Subsequent departmental disciplinary action we are initiating. It will take some time.
Goa Police has opted to be mum on this issue. We contacted SP of Railway Security, Vaman Tarif, but he refused to comment. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Omkar Farari.
Shadab Jakati arrived in the state on Monday after his success with the Chennai Super Kings in IPL Season 3. Jakati played a crucial role in Chennai's win against the Mumbai Indians in the final. The Vasco-based player grabbed the wickets of Sachin Tendulkar and Saurabh Tiwari. Jakati, accompanied by his mother, was welcomed by his family members at the Daboli airport.
A 22-run victory over Mumbai Indians ensured Chennai the IPL 3 title. But for Goans, bigger news was Shadab Jakati's impressive performance. He picked up 2 wickets that included the one of batting maestro Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin was just stepping into his scoring form when Jakati took his wicket. IPL success of the tournament, Saurabh Tiwari was his second victim. The 27-year-old Ranji cricketer also took a spectacular catch to send back JP Dumini in the pavilion of Muttiah Muralitharan's bowling. But for Shadab, Sachin's wicket was special. On Monday afternoon, Shadab arrived in his hometown along with his mother. The modest youngster was welcomed by his family members and close friends.
It feels good actually. It's a great feeling to win the IPL. We lost it in the first edition, and this time we won. And beating Mumbai in Mumbai was a good feeling actually.
And I believe taking Tendulkar's wicket, you'll definitely treasure in your lifetime. How was your feeling when you?
Of course, it was a big moment for me taking Sachin's wicket. that wicket was very crucial for us. At that point of time, he was batting well, and we knew that his wicket is very important. We had to get him out. So fortunately, I got his wicket. The way we entered the finals, nobody expected us because we started poorly, and then we had to come back. Everybody was telling we were the underdogs. And the way we played the last 3 games against Punjab and the semi-finals against Deccan, I think that kept us the momentum.
Shadab, whom do you credit for your overall performance?
I think I credit my parents actually, coach and all my well-wishers. I've been getting a lot of messages that there's a lot of prayers wishes being said in Goa. So I would like to thank all the people from Goa who have wished me and prayed for me. Thank you so much.
Meanwhile, last night, Shadab's friends from Vasco